In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Printify and download mockups for your products effortlessly. This is a great way to get professional-looking images for showcasing your design, so let's dive right in and make the most of what Printify has to offer. First, you'll want to visit the Printify website and log into your account. If you're not already familiar with Printify, it's a user-friendly platform that assists with creating and selling custom-printed products, making it an ideal place for creators looking to bring their designs to life. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side menu panel. Here you'll see an option labeled My Products. Go ahead and click on that. This section houses all the items you've either designed or are in the process of designing. Now that you're in My Products, the next step is to select the specific product for which you'd like to download a mockup. Navigate through your list of products and pick the one you need. Once selected, the editing features will be accessible. Look for the Edit Design icon, which you'll find on the right side of the menu. Clicking this will take you to a more detailed design overview. At this stage, focus your attention on the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Preview option. By clicking Preview, you can view how your design looks on different product angles and settings, which is particularly useful in ensuring every detail meets your expectations. Now you'll notice various mock-up views are presented, each offering a unique perspective of the product rendered with your design. Click on the mock-up view you wish to download. A helpful way to see your design as a potential buyer would, with the desired mock-up view selected, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here you'll see the Download Mockup button. Click it to initiate the download process, ensuring you save the file in your preferred format and location on your device for future use. Once you've successfully completed the download, you'll have a professional quality image ready to share, use in marketing, or display online. If you need to download another mockup, remember you can repeat the process with ease. Simply return to the mockup view selection, choose a different view, and download it again. Repeat as necessary to achieve the perfect set of visuals for your needs. And there you have it. I hope you found this guide informative and helpful. With these steps, you're now equipped to create stunning mockups for your products easily. Thanks for watching, and happy designing with Printify.